Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up upload receipts for EV charger rebates with Rewiring America easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Rewiring America website. Navigate to the section dedicated to electric vehicle charger rebates. Look for the option that mentions setting up upload receipts. Click on the link to start the process. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in using your credentials if you already have an account. Once logged in, find the dashboard or main menu. Locate the rebate program for EV chargers. Select the option for uploading receipts. You will see a prompt for the necessary documentation. Gather your purchase receipt for the EV charger. Make sure the receipt clearly shows the purchase date and amount. Scan or take a high-quality photo of the receipt. Ensure the image is clear and all text is legible. Return to the Rewiring America website. Click on the Upload button to select your scanned receipt. Upload the document by following the on-screen instructions. Fill in any additional required information related to your purchase. Review all the entered details for accuracy. Confirm your upload to finalize the submission. You should receive a confirmation message or email shortly. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding your rebate status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.